Here is my original ad. It's from the Adidas ad that spotlights athletic shoes. I really liked the body copy for this ad because I thought the metaphor was strong and did a good job comparing a soldier to a soccer player. The design of this ad seems very simple, but it says a lot. The black background is a good contrast for the white logo and the body copy. The transparent reflection makes the shoes stand out and is an example of repetition. The three-stripe logo is also repeated on the shoe, which is another example of repetition. The color scheme is again very simple: white, black, and blue. The blue of the soccer cleat helps the shoe jump off the page and catch your eye. It also contrasts with the dark black background. White is used on the shoe and for the text, here, here, and here, and also in the reflection. This helps create contrast as well as repetition. The typography is sans serif both in the logo and in the body copy. There is some contrast here because the logo is all lowercase letters, which shows a different structure between these two fonts. Here is my new ad. As you can see, there are some consistencies and some differences. Both ads feature a reflection of the shoe. The color scheme of black, blue, and white is also consistent with both ads. The body copy, right here, helps tie these ads to the same campaign by using a because statement and a very strong metaphor. The same serif fonts are also consistent. The sans serif fonts are also consistent. So right here is sans serif, and again in the logo is a sans serif font. Differences between these ads, such as where the body copy is placed, what the body copy is saying, and the general layout of the new ad versus the original ad, show that these are two unique ads, but help tie them into the same ad campaign. So that was my Adidas ad campaign. Thank you.